What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Honda Budget Builders. Today we're going to clean my wife's CRV, or the engine bay. We will be cleaning the exterior because we are going to import Alliance in St. Louis this weekend. So she's pretty dirty. She's leaking some oil around here. And I think the O-ring and the distributor's bad, which I have a new one to replace. I've got a new air filter, spark plug wire, spark plugs. But like I said, right now we're just going to focus on getting her cleaned up. I have neglected the CRV in quite some time. She is very dirty. So let's get her cleaned up. We are going to be using this Simple Green Heavy Duty Cleaner Pro HD all-in-one cleaner, degreaser, and deodorizer. We got like half and half, 50% water, 50% cleaner, and we're going to spray it on there. First I'm going to spray water on there, and then we'll spray this, and then we'll scrub it with a clean-ish rag. Typically you probably shouldn't spray your engine bay directly, but you know, I always do this. I've never had a problem. I've even sprayed it with a pressure washer at the car wash. Alright, now let's spray our degreaser. Alright, now that I've sprayed with degreaser and I've let it sit for a little bit, I'm going to scrub it with this. It's pretty soft. It's probably not the best thing, but I'm going to use it anyway. What it is, it's a little floor sweeper, dustpan thing. Now I'm going to take my moist, cleanish towel and wipe around. Alright, we're going to clean the underside of the hood because it's pretty dirty. We'll do that before we start spraying off the engine bay. Alright, now that I've wiped down, I've scrubbed and wiped, I'm going to rinse it, and then I'm going to clean with some dish soap. Again, not ideal, but it's an old car and I don't really care. Soapy rag. And anything I can pull out, pull it out. You got this tank here and your power steering fluid tank. Looks like there's some nasty shit in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to rinse that out. There's some oil caked up around where the block and the transmission meet, so I'm going to try to clean that up, spray some more degreaser on there. Scrub it with the brush. Alright, well, I think I'm done. I'm going to spray it off and let it dry. And we don't want to forget to put our overflow back in. Alright, now we're just going to let her dry, and I'm sure there'll be spots that I missed, but once she's dry, I'll be able to see them, and we can go back over them. Alright, so she's all dry. She's looking pretty good. There's a couple of spots on the firewall that I can wipe down. Behind the battery over here. But overall, she looks pretty good. I'm going to get some either tire shine or dash armor all, and get all the black hoses over here too, all the black stuff there. That thing's a little dirty, but oh well. There's some black there. We'll get the radiator wiped down, and she'll be looking pretty good. Alright, so I got more videos on the way. Please like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, I don't know what to fucking say. And I will see you all next time. And I will see you all in the next video.